Sam with you again. This week I'm going to show you how to make vegetarian bean burger patties. This is the finished product and I can't wait to eat this. Let's go! So this is everything that you're going to need for your easy vegetarian burger patties. Now I have gone with cannellini beans and red kidney beans because they're my favourites and I have them in the cupboard all the time. You can use whatever beans you like. We've got an onion, 2 eggs, and we're going to need some breadcrumbs. I'm just going to make breadcrumbs with some old bread that I had in the freezer. If you have packet breadcrumbs, that's great, you can use those too. So let's get on with our breadcrumbs now. So this is going to make quite a few burger patties, and these are really good because they last in the freezer. So now that you've got your onion chopped and ready to go, what I have done is I have taken my 2 cans of beans and just drained the liquid out. Now typically these can have a lot of salt, so I've just gone ahead and rinsed some of that off and I've just got the beans left. What you want to do with these is put these into the food processor, or you can mash them with a potato masher or a fork if you don't have a processor or a blender. I'm going to gently pulse them just to break them up a little bit, and then keep your onion and your eggs nearby because we're going to add that in as soon as these are a little bit pulsed. Once you've got all of your wet ingredients mixed together and pulsed through, still quite chunky, but lightly mixed, I'm going to go ahead now and add the breadcrumbs, and then we're going to give it one last pulse before we start to form these guys. Once your mixture is ready to go and the bread has soaked up a little bit of that moisture, get your pan nice and hot, put some olive oil in there. I'm not even going to form these because I like them to be nice and rustic, so I'm just going to chuck it straight on and just kind of flatten it out as I go. You can form them if you want to. You might need to add a little bit more breadcrumbs if your consistency is a little bit too runny, but once you get this stage, chuck it in the pan and we're going to make burgers. Once your burger patty is cooked and ready to go, whack it on your burger bun. Now we just want to layer on top anything that you want. So these are my picks. So I'm going to go ahead and